Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you remember 7 months ago I told you about a $1 billion renovation project planned for Jamaica Boulevard. Well, the Tourism Enhancement Fund is expecting to begin that project come April 2023. Hopefully, it will end up transforming the hip strip into an area where there are a variety of entertainment activities in the day and night that are able to attract both locals and tourists alike. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I have a lot of love for Montego Bay, but God knows we do not have a variety of activities within the city for entertainment. I mean, I would love to be able to say that we do, but short of restaurants and nightclubs, there isn't much to do. Or probably I'm just too much of a homebody and don't know what to go on my bay, or it's because I don't go out at night. I need some day activities like water parks. Who is going to open a water park in Montego Bay? I definitely need somebody to open a water park in Montego Bay. But come to think of it, we don't have a lot of rivers, and that's why I like Ochi, that strip where you have Duns River Falls, Little Duns River, which I think they closed recently, Turtle River Park, Mystic Mountain, just perfection. And like how the time's so hot right now, a river visit would do much better to cool you off than a beach trip. According to this Gleaner article, they have already found an architect and designs were already presented to stakeholders on the hip strip. They are now working on acquiring permits from the Public Investment Appraisal Branch. Now, it's the first time I'm hearing of that government body, so I had to do some research. And according to the Ministry of Finance and Public Service website, the Public Investment Appraisal Branch, PIAB, is the single point of entry for all projects intended for the Public Investment Program. It is responsible for pre-investment project appraisals within the Public Investment Management System and performs a technical advisory function to the Public Investment Management Committee. Now, I will link this video in the description box and you can watch it after this one if you're interested in learning more. Number 2. Montego Bay's nightlife may be getting a boost soon with Mobe Reggae Nights. The newly introduced event will take place every month starting October 30th, 2022 at Harmony Beach Park and will feature a mixture of live entertainment, food, and art. The event was created by businessmen Dwight Crawford and Andrew Brown. It will be interactive and focused on bringing light to our culture or music, arts, and food. Sounds good. Is this an event you think you would enjoy on your next visit? Let me know in the comments. Something else that I'd like to add. Now that Harmony Beach Park is up and running, we have a spot where we can hold a wide range of events, and that's why I wish they had constructed a stage like they have at Emancipation Park. That would have made it the perfect venue. But nevertheless, I love our new beach park. Still love it. Number 3. Operation Restore Paradise, launched in August, continues. The operation includes the reduction of illegal vending and the operation of rogue taxi drivers within the city area. It's almost 2 months in and it would seem that most are complying with the new rules, though every now and again I see people in areas they should not be. So far, 42 people have been arrested, 143 vehicles seized, and 2,026 people prosecuted for breaching the Road Traffic Act. This is not the first initiative of this kind or even with this name. In May of 2019, a similar law enforcement initiative, also called Operation Restore Paradise, was launched. It was also a multi-agency initiative. As mentioned previously, as a part of the initiative, a mobile post will be placed at Sam Sharp Square. However, the last time I passed by that area, I did not see any such vehicle, but according to this Observer article dated October 13th, It is up and running, but we're trying to ensure that a certain level of normalcy is restored first, particularly with regards to the vending. Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers told the Jamaica Observer. The police post will have a place to hold people who have been arrested, and they will also have CCTV, which they will use to closely monitor the area.